Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the motion blur on CapCut. So CapCut, start a new project. Okay, choose some photographs. Okay, let me go with this photographs. Okay, 4 photos are enough. Okay, let's reduce the clip length to 1 second each. Okay, approx 1 second each. Okay, then let's export it. Okay, once we're done, go back, start a new project, browse the video you just made. Okay, tap on the video. Now on the bottom, slide right. Okay, at the end you will see motion blur. Tap on it. Now for blur, make it 100. Blend, set it to 10, and times, make it 4 times to be more smoother. Okay, wait for it. Okay, let's play. Okay, so this is the end result. You can tap on it and you can change the times to 6. Let's play. Okay, whichever you like. Export. Let's check in the gallery. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this motion blur on CapCut. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.